Narrowband Smartlock senses when my phone is nearby and unlocks my door automatically without even having to take my phone out of my pocket or bag. With a door closer included, our door shuts behind us, and Narrowband Smartlock automatically locks. It's totally touch-free. Create digital keys for specific times and email family and friends with the Digital Keys app. Use keycards if you want to unlock without your phone, or if your phone battery dies, and get instant text messages whenever anyone comes and goes, so you know your loved ones are home safe. And it's easy to install. Narrowband Smartlock doesn't use Wi-Fi. It uses a new communications technology that's part of the 5G standards called Narrowband IoT, which means better security, better reliability, and better battery life. You don't need any on-site infrastructure or on-site power. For 50 years, telecommunication companies have been with you, connecting people, spending billions on security and encryption features in their mobile networks. And now they're available for use with smart locks. Since 2017, we've been working in the NB-IoT lab in the UK with telecommunication companies, and we've already brought a narrowband smart lock to the European market, used in banks, offices, and hotels. But now, we want to bring narrowband smart lock to your homes. By coming together to back this Kickstarter campaign, you can improve your home security and help stop the spread of the coronavirus.